So today's recipe is one of the oldest food we have in Ghana and also in the half side. It's called ogo. Okay, look at this ogo. And basically it's cocoyam. We use cocoyam to do this.
A friend ogo. Yena na no momo ya. Angodi wo aduane we mu. Angodi bia ni aduane bia mu se we unya ahoden. So delicious.
Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco and I'm back again. Yes, I'm still in Sunyani, yeah, I have for BA. And I'm in BA, Sunyani, and over here with Tatiana, in town. We're heading to the market. Yes. They have a lot of local traditional food, man, you have no idea about it. This food is called ogo, locally known as ogo. So basically it's roasted mashed cocoyam. It's more like a to. So they use red oil with some eggs and avocado, some KOOBI or salted fish to garnish this food to make an authentic food. Man, you have no idea how sweet or delicious this food tastes like.
So delicious.
But I believe after watching this video, you'll be able to make your own ogo at home. Wherever you are in the world, you can make ogo, provided you have the ingredients. So if this is the first time watching, kindly share as much as you can. Let's showcase our food to ourselves and to Africans and to the world. Let's do this. AVOCADO.
And food is not that expensive.
Because family are more, are they?
Yeah, it's very affordable if you know where to
go. Oh, okay.
And you have to bargain. You see, when you go to Rome, you do have the
Romans.
You need to learn how to
bargain. What's that to so?
Head.
So we're making a top and we have to roast it. Okay.
Cocoyam.
So we roast the cocoyam like that. That's what we're using to make the top. Ogo. Okay, so we roasted our cocoyam and we're taking out the skin or peel out the skin from it. Now I need to roast it. When roast, I want to use it now. Okay. When roast, I want to use it.
What fan to Jamon to me?
Only
one baby, and I won't taste it.
Okay. So as she's saying, roasting is the best option. You have the amazing taste for it. So we have our peeled cocoyam over here. See the difference before and after. With the mashed cocoyam, we'll be adding our salted fish inside. Or tilapia or KOOBI. So we're adding one of the KOOBI, the salted fish to it. You grind that one together with the pepper, okay, to give that succulent flavor. You know what KOOBI can do, yeah? Yellow. So we are now adding our peeled cocoyam to it and goes in like that. So we have our zoni oil here, and that's what we're using to do the eto. Anyway, we also have avocado over here. You can't do eto with avocado. This is authentic food anyway from the half side. Again, we have some peanuts over here, organic. The KOOBI too is waiting for us over here. Onions, anyway, to give that flavor. As always. One thing about onion is that that's magic inside the food, so you need it. So this is our mashed cocoyam, and this is how it looks like at this point. Okay, so we have our oil on fire. So we're adding a pinch of salt inside. Okay, so the oil goes on top like that. Okay, and we mix it together. So with this recipe, anyone, anywhere can make this. Provided you get a cocoyam, you can do it. Okay, you can even use your gas to roast your cocoyam and you proceed. Amazing recipe, just follow the steps of how she's doing and trust me, you get the amazing result. Anyway, I cut the chama. We just add in the onion, the fried onion. Using peanuts. On top of this, we also have egg. So full combo. Full combo. I want you know.
Oh, there.
Okay, so the peanuts. Okay. So it goes in like that. Anyway. Wow. All goes in like that. Amazingly beautiful, no? Hello, sister, make you take your time. Make you know Yeah, so we're done with our cocoyam, mashed cocoyam, anyway, ogo, the quality ogo over here, and very easy recipe that you can try anywhere in the world. Amazingly, so you're about to kill it. Take a bite, anyway. Is it
Roasted cocoyam.
roasted? Yeah. Or roasted cocoyam, my mashed?
No, it's roasted.
Roasted mashed cocoyam.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just take a bite. So as you can see, peanuts, the cocoyam itself. But your friends, this is your boy.
Sister, we the baby and I want for you.
Okay.
You're invited.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. Man.
We are competition.
Wow.
How do you say the taste?
Amazing. Avocado.
No.
Like that. Amazing. We didn't quite the part. We have to make sure avocado. So the KOOBI. Okay, so again with avocado, onion, peanuts, like that.
And the main man.
I can do that. What today? Okay. It's about ranking 9. Barak is benign.
Is that you can talk for what?
11 over 10.
11 over 10.
It's amazing.
11 over 10.
More than like 10.
11 over 10. Very delicious. So I now have some egg. Like that. So this is the food that you have been eating, like very full of potential, everything, nutrients, vitamins, just name it. No artificial stuff was added.
Ogo.
What you mean? Oh yes, Beno.
Ogo.
You too.
Your friend Ogo. Yena na no momo ya. Anwode wo aduane wem no. Anwode bia ni aduane bia mu se we unya ahoden. So delicious.
No.
That's my sweet asew.
Papa bi na edi aduane no oni Ogo no. Ogo.
Yeah, so that's for today. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. And I hope you can also follow the steps and the procedure to make your own Ogo, right? Ogo. Or roasted cocoyam, mashed cocoyam. Yeah. So let's do this again. Cooking with Sindaco. Make sure you share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. I record, I'm out. One.